Safety isn't optional. It's the line between life and loss. For more than a decade, India has lost nearly 1,000 workers every year, a safety record that never improves. In 2021, 988 lives were lost in registered factories. Across plants, construction sites, mines, and logistics hubs, the same hazards repeat. Falls, machinery entrapments, fires, electrocutions, and unsafe vehicle movement. Traditional audits and CCTV only react after incidents. The risk is seen too late, which means action arrives too late. This is where binary semantics safety solutions change the equation. With AI-powered computer vision, binary transforms ordinary cameras into real-time safety intelligence. It continuously detects and automates all operations from gate in to gate out and beyond. PPE violations, slip and fall incidents, forklift and vehicle risks, pedestrian danger proximity, unauthorized zone entry, driver fatigue and distraction, harness and height risks, cargo and material defects. Advanced driver assistance and safety alerts are instant. Insights are clear. Binary semantics helps teams prevent incidents before they escalate, making every site more aware, more responsive, and more protected. Binary brings safety out of reports and into every moment of operations. Because the safest workplace isn't watched, it's protected. And binary semantics makes that protection real.